Guys, finally, hawak na natin ang Nubia Music Pro. This is yung kanyang better version compared to sa na-review natin before na Nubia Music. And this is a media kit, by the way. And inside, pag binuksan mo, there's 2 boxes here. Isang freebies and isang the phone itself. Samahan niyo ako buksan natin. Now, pag binuksan mo ang kanyang freebie na box, you get a really nice na MagSafe case. You get a really loud na, this is called a Bluetooth speaker. Pagkabit mo dito, MagSafe siya, which is definitely good. And you get 10 NFC tags dito, which you can write your program dito kung anong gusto mo i-declare kaya na. Okay na okay ito, very clever. Now, pag binuksan ko naman tong isang box dito, I have here is the phone itself. Ganito itsura niya. And bubuksan ko lang para makita natin laman. And inside, makita mo, we have just a clear case. Isang, this one's the cable. And this one is the charging brick. Now, hindi ko na siguro bubuksan kasi simple items. This is the main star. No? So, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo anong itsura niya. So, quickly hilain lang natin. You know, I love yung kanang colors, guys. No? Ang dami na very colorful tong kanang back cover, and you have your loudspeaker here, and probably this one is a camera module, the other one is a depth sensor and LED flash nandito. You have plastic frames and a red power button over here. This is how it looks like dito sa ilalim. Nandiyan pa kayo ng audio jack, and I simply love yung kanyang design. Pag kinabit mo dito, it looks more awesome. Ganito itsura niya, pretty nice, though. Pwede ka maglagay ng loudspeaker dito para sa inyong favorite music on the go. Now, you guys, abangan ninyo ang full review natin dito sa Nubia Music Pro. Pretty soon, i-upload na natin once na natapos ko ang full video na ito. So, for now, if you're interested dito sa phone na ito, just around mga 3,000 plus pesos, I'll post the link sa description or just simply click the yellow basket. Bye!